Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a Google AdSense account step by step clearly. To register for a Google AdSense account, begin by visiting the Google AdSense website. Look for the Sign Up Now button on the home page and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your Google account email and password. If you don't have a Google account, click on Create Account and follow the prompts to set one up. Once logged in, you will need to provide the URL of the website where you plan to display ads. Make sure the site complies with AdSense policies before submitting it. Next, select the language of your content from the drop-down menu. After filling in the required details, click on Next. You will then be asked to fill out your payment information. Enter your full name, address, and banking details accurately. Once you have confirmed your details, review the AdSense program policies. Read through the terms and conditions carefully before agreeing to them. After agreeing, submit your application. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your application is under review. The review process may take a few days, so be patient as Google evaluates your website. Once approved, you'll receive an email notification with next steps. Log back into your AdSense account to set up ad units for your website. Follow the on-screen instructions to create and customize your ad formats. Finally, copy the ad code and paste it into your website's HTML where you want the ads to appear. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.